Hello viewers, and I welcome you once again. Let's meet the star. These are some of the different cards from the different decks, as I keep sharing with everyone. This is the most vibrating ones which I see here. This is from the RW deck, the most traditional deck, the star card from there. So after the tower, we have seen that how destructive the tower is. So after the interruption of tower, the star guides you to your destination with balance and harmony. So these two hands are symbol of the balances. So balance and harmony, as I said. So this also indicates the beginning of new cycle or renewal or the healing as well. So in general, the life achieves its wholeness, unity. It brings the good fortune in general. Any plan or project indicated or initiated will have a long-lasting impact. So the more positive outlook and attitude, the more chances of prosperity is here. So here the most important thing is to keep a positive attitude towards everything what you have or what is coming on your way. Work-wise, the performance at work will definitely increase because of the positive attitude. The new doors are likely to open. The investment so goes up. There is a possibility of getting a dream job which will just come on your lap out from nowhere. So, and even if you look at your own performance, so you will attain the highest potential of yours when this card appears into your reading. Relationship, the existing relationship becomes more promising. Someone enters into your life as a new partner if you are not engaged or you are not married. You may receive a guidance or even a resolution of any existing relationship issue of your life. Things will work out better for the financial perspective. If we look at things will definitely work out better than the expectation. The financial situation improves significantly, and the same as the investments will also grow very significantly. So you will have enough financial or enough resources to pay your debts if you want to, if you choose to repay your debts or some mortgage loans, or you can even go ahead to buy a new properties as well. Now the star empowers that when you with it's like when you wish with star, like that's a saying and many people follow this as well. So when you wish upon star, your dreams will definitely come true. So with this, it's the time for the message from universe, and let's see what the message the universe has for us. Yeah, it says surrender to your addictions. So whether you are addicted to substances, food, people, or overthinking, take action to begin to heal the addiction and replace it with healthier alternatives. So that means it clearly says that you should keep a positive attitude and get rid of people who are not positive, who are not supportive to you. Get rid of those thoughts, overthinking everything, and start a new journey. So with this, thank you so much for watching, and we will meet the moon tomorrow.